welcome back. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate it. I am excited, as you can see from the description below. Today we are going to be unboxing our April 2019 Universal Yums. This is one of my favorite subscriptions. It is always so much fun. For those of you that do not know, Universal Yums is a monthly snack subscription. They do send you a variety of snacks from different countries all around the world. We have had stuff from Brazil, from Italy, I mean just all over, Taiwan, which surprisingly enough was actually pretty good. So this month we are headed to the land of milk and honey. So we will dive in and see. One thing I enjoy too is they do always include a pamphlet that will tell you about the snacks, but also give you a clue to next month, which I always enjoy doing, trying to figure out if I can see where we're going to be heading next month. Also, they do have 3 different plans to choose from. They have their Yum Box, which is the one that I get just because it's enough, which is 5 or 6 or more snacks. It is $15. Then they have their Yum Box, which is, I believe, $29. And that has like 10 or more snacks. And then they have their Super Yum Box, which I want to say is like $35 or $39. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. It will get you $5 off your first box. So you could try just this one, the 15 for 10. So, but let's get in here and see what we have for April 2019. I could not figure out the clue from last month. I had some ideas, but I still don't think I was correct, but we're about to find out. So let's open it up. Ooh. Nope, I was not correct. So right here, when you open it, it does have a map, or not map, but like a sheet that tells you the country and some facts and just places. So this month is Israel. So on the back of this same pack, it gives you where you can vote for your like best yum, worst yum, weirdest yum, second best, and then you can actually upload this for a chance to win a free box. So that's cool. And then this is the little pamphlet I was telling you guys about. So you open it and it tells you some information about the country, which is informative and fun to learn about. And then it has some trivia, and then it gets into just going over all of the different snacks. So this is what we actually see when we take that off. So here are our snacks for April. And I know I always do this first, but we're going to do it first again. I'm going to go ahead and read the clue for next month because I like seeing if I can figure it out. And I love having you guys tell me what you think it may be. So it says, they have very calm mornings, but real crazy nights. It's because of the music. Give it a listen, all right? Even better than the tunes are the yums you'll see soon. Spicy red sticks and pies of green tea. I want to say Jamaica. That, like, just because it's talking about the music, and I want to say Jamaica, but I'm not sure. That's my guess. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. But let's get in here and see what these snacks from Israel are all about. All right. So, our very first snack is, okay, I didn't know if I had it upside down. This, I believe, is how it goes. Okay, and thankfully they do actually have it on here so I can tell you. Crimley Nougat Bites, cereal snacks filled with nougat flavored cream coated with peanut butter. Peanut butter coated cereal bites with hazelnut cream. So these actually sound yummy. They don't scare me at all. Sometimes I do get a little bit nervous on trying some of these snacks just because it's like, ooh, okay, I'm not sure. But these, I'm good. Peanut butter, hazelnut, I know these are going to be good. And let's just move right along. And we have, oh, this has a cute little like kangaroo on it. right here. Falafel shashi? Falafel flavored puffs. Now, I actually have never had falafel. I do not know what it tastes like, so I don't know if I will like these or not, but we'll find out. So, I'm not going to do any taste testing in this video just because Christopher does enjoy trying these with me for the first time. So, we will be doing that off camera. So, I'm just going to show you guys and explain and share and all of that, but the taste testing will be afterwards. And if something is awesome or not, or weird or whatever, I will make sure to let you guys know in the comments. And then we have from you know where it's from? Israel. This is Basili Onion. It says flavored wheat snacks. Onion Basili, onion flavored wheat snack. So these will probably be good. I'll probably like these. I like onion flavored things. I like onions. So that'll probably be really good. And then, oh, I see a chocolate bar, y'all. Right there. That's a good sized chocolate bar. Strauss popping chocolate. Oh, milk chocolate with popping candies. That's gonna be fun. Christopher's gonna enjoy that. He loves chocolate and he loves Pop Rocks, so this is right up his alley. That'll be really fun. And then we have, let's see, it looks like there's, oh wait, no. Is it just one? Are these different? I don't know. They're different. Okay. So we have a Maroon coconut roll, coconut bar rolled in coconut flakes. That'll probably be good. But there was another item in here that looks somewhat similar. That's why I was like, oh, are there two? But it is actually very different. And it is a pomegranate Turkish delight. Pomegranate candy with almonds. Huh. That's probably good. I'm excited to try that one. And then we have two more snacks. Chick Check, everything flavored snacks. Everything Chick Check, wheat spirals with spices. This says the word everything might be in the name of the snack, but it's a little bit deceptive. Many Israel Jews can't eat everything, and that's because they keep kosher. You might have heard the phrase before, but you may not know what it means. Keep it kosher means following a set of commandments about food. Sorry about that. So, like dairy, okay, for example, pork is banned, as are certain shellfish. Dairy can't be consumed with meat, and the utensils used to cook one can't be used to cook with the other. So there's a bunch of different things, but these do sound interesting, like spices and stuff like that. I think this will probably be really good. So I am excited to try those. And then our last item, we actually have two of them, are these little guys right here. Mini pistachio halva, sesame candy with pistachios. I love pistachios, so I bet these are going to be amazing. So I am super excited to give these a try as well. Now, if all of this stuff tastes the way it sounds and everything, I think Israel actually might be a pretty good month. So let me know your thoughts down below. And I'm a little surprised. Normally we get like a little bag that has candy in it, like a Yum Yum candy bag, but I'm guessing maybe because there were some other sweets and stuff, they didn't do that this month. I'm happy with this. I definitely think it's worth the money. The snacks are fun, and that is really what to me is worth it. You're trying different snacks from around the world because of the pamphlet. You're learning a little bit. Sorry, you guys. I don't know what's going on here. But yeah, so I think because you're learning things, you're getting to try new snacks, and it's just fun. It's like a fun experiment. I just really enjoy it. So I definitely recommend it if you're looking for something fun, something different. Like I said, I will put a link down below. If you choose to use the link, it will get you $5 off your first box. So that's always great. But again, let me know what you think about the clue for next month. I'm going to say Jamaica, but I could be wrong. I'm not sure. I don't know if they have pies of green tea, but that's going to be my guess without doing any research based on the clue. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you thought of the box. And I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.